macaroni and everything.
Yes, Jen.
We're waiting on you. Why are you running? I don't understand.
Come in here. Jen. Jen.
I don't know what it's about, but she took off.
No, she's coming.
She didn't look like she was coming. She forgot she walked her.
Don't let her leave.
Jen!
Jen, you have to accept it, and then it's over.
She's on the
She's already in the elevator.
But she can all leave if you just say, okay, great.
I don't understand why she's leaving. She got in the elevator.
She can't leave. She's got to see the chicken. Jen!
Chicken's other outfits are here.
There's a goddamn Angry Bird in Madison.
What?
I'll hang out with the chicken.
Just you know, the chicken's other outfits are here.
Put it on, Abby.
I'll put it on.
Oh, that's.
We'll just hang out with the Angry Bird.
What is this for?
Logan and the Angry Bird.
It all makes sense now.
What are you guys drinking champagne for?
Fun. Well, it's Friday, why not?
I'll just take a photo of you.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
She's coming back.
Okay. Hilarious.
Come on, you just have to let him do it. You don't know what he's going to see. Come on, it's right here.
You're like, oh, it's over there.
Jennifer! Happy April Fools! Happy April Fools to you! Happy April Fools to Jennifer! Happy April Fools!
Okay, all right.
Walk for everybody!
Walk.
All right!
Oh, my God.
Nice.
Fools
Oh,
to
good
you.
stuff.
April Fool's girl, for she's a jolly good April Fool's girl. She's a jolly good April Fool's girl. But nobody can deny. Yeah, that's right, girl. Chill out on April Fool's with this double espresso from Dennis. And I
Going
go
down, not even funny at all.
There's a telegram and I
Cheers
just
to
got
that.
my straw.
Okay, thank you.
And
Oh,
the
and a
straw.
straw
This
too,
is a straw. Yeah, you always need a straw.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, happy April Fool's, girl.
Angry Bird, your fly's down.
Zoom in on the zipper, please. I know. Your zipper's broken. I know, yeah, that's why I have the safety pin.
That's what I use when my zipper's broken.
Email that picture to Adrian right
Oh
now.
my God, don't.